उन्नाव में चंडीगढ़ यूनिवर्सिटी यूपी कैंपस में माइक्रोसॉफ्ट ने पहला एआई बूट कैंप आयोजित किया। 300 से अधिक स्टूडेंट्स को एआई टूल्स और तकनीकों की दी गई प्रैक्टिकल ट्रेनिंग। कार्यक्रम का उद्देश्य छात्रों को इंडस्ट्री रेडी स्किल्स से लैस करना रहा। माइक्रोसॉफ्ट और सीयू के बीच एमओयू के तहत हुआ आयोजन। उन्नति एआई इनिशिएटिव के तहत 50% महिलाओं की भागीदारी सुनिश्चित। कार्यक्रम में एफआईटीटी, आईआईटी दिल्ली और सीयूटीबीआई रहे सहयोगी पार्टनर। छात्रों को पाइथन, एआई इंटीग्रेशन, मशीन लर्निंग जैसी स्किल्स सिखाई गई। सांसद सतनाम सिंह संधू ने कहा, यूपी में एआई शिक्षा का नया युग शुरू। वेंचर मोजार्ट व माइक्रोसॉफ्ट के प्रतिनिधियों ने स्टूडेंट्स को प्रेरित किया। यूनिवर्सिटी द्वारा जल्द ही 5 एक्सीलेंस सेंटर्स और 3 करोड़ की स्कॉलरशिप की घोषणा।
And I think Chandigarh University has started that. So great. It's a very good initiative from the university because the coming age, all these technologies will be included. And as I've told you, there will be a time wherein, technology will not replace or Gen AI will not replace humans as such. But the person who knows these technologies or the person who is aware about AI and all, that person's skills and all can definitely replace a person who doesn't know all these things. So stepping up, upgrading, upskilling or starting off with this session is an incredible step by this particular university, and I wish all the best to all these students who are going to enroll and work in this domain.
We standing here in this campus, the campus of Chandigarh University in Uttar Pradesh, we have that idea in our mind, being #1 ranked private university in country, expanding its wings to the proximity of Lucknow. We are much determined to use AI as an enabler and to let you understand that what you can do with the powers of AI, which knowingly or unknowingly you are using in your day-to-day life.
So while I was searching for my colleges, I went through many colleges in South India, North and East, everywhere. I was researching through colleges. I connected people through LinkedIn, asked their reviews, but Chandigarh University's alumni were the ones which attracted me the most. They told about the faculty, they told me everything about the staff here, the labs and everything. Since the day one when I visited the campus, oh my god, the staff, the HOD of biotechnology, they guided me pretty well. I mean, they became my friends. Chandigarh University has taken a futuristic approach and I must appreciate the fact that they are looking forward. Before the academics began, they hosted such an excellent event, Unnati AI. I mean, I'm very grateful to be a part of this.
Actually, my family was really much concerned about me having to study in a good college with a very good placement at a right place. And I feel like Chandigarh University is the perfect place for me to study here and get the achievements, opportunities, and I think it's gonna happen to me, and I really feel the essence already. Google is my dream company and I really feel like I'm gonna get that opportunity here, and I feel like the package, the highest package we have in Chandigarh University is 1.7 CR international and 54 lakhs national, and which was also scored by a girl, Sanya, and which was like 54 lakhs nationally. And I feel like I'm gonna also get that place and I'm gonna work hard for it, and Chandigarh University is gonna actually give me opportunities and help me out.